Over the years, there have been many innovations in tactical weapons systems design, manufacture, and performance. The more visible proof of these advances is in today's technologically and ballistically advanced tactical rifles. To get the most out of the potential of these weapons requires a better designed and more stable bipod that can adapt to any situation in order to make faster, more accurate shots. To date, no company has developed a bipod that can match, let alone enhance, the capabilities of these rifles. Until now. Introducing the Elite Iron Revolution Bipod, a revolution in tactical rifle bipods. Elite Iron has been researching and developing alternatives to the traditional bipod for years, and they have a patent pending on a new proprietary bipod design based upon their deep experience with real-world tactical demands. The efforts have resulted in the new Revolution Bipod, the most revolutionary example of superior design, stability, and adaptability in the tactical world today. Whether you're in the military or law enforcement, a hunter, or a serious civilian marksman, the Revolution Bipod can help you make consistently better shots faster. Here's why. The Revolution Bipod is a revolution in superior design. It starts with stronger construction, like no exposed springs and no cheaply made stamped parts. For example, the new Revolution Bipod legs and tube stems are made of 4140 chrome moly steel. Leg locks are made from 8620 high-grade cold-rolled steel. The hidden springs are made from 5160 steel. Even the set and stripper screws are made of chrome moly steel. And the finish is magnesium phosphate for a better bond to the steel and better protection against corrosion. The bipod attaches securely to 1913 mil-spec rail, spade, or rigid bipod mounts, and the mount is positioned lower on the bipod, so less weight over mass can add more stability. Adjustable legs spread to the ideal 60-degree angle for a solid stance and the best use of available space. They also rotate 360 degrees on the mount. The feet are designed to sit flat and still grab rough or slippery surfaces. The all-steel model weighs 2 pounds, the lighter version is 1.5 pounds, and the American-made Revolution Bipod was designed to work with rifles all the way up to .50 caliber. The Revolution Bipod is a revolution in stability. The Revolution Bipod allows the shooter to successfully make the most of any given shooting position. It maximizes the ability to be more accurate when the shooter is presented with unusual angles, difficult surfaces, rough terrain, or an unforgiving environment. And it can help make the shots that might be impossible with other bipods. One big reason is that the rifle can revolve a full 360 degrees on inner racers or grooves inside the Revolution Bipod mount. So a stable shot can be taken at any degree of rotation of the bipod while maintaining the 2 axes of motion control, side to side and up and down. And that position can be instantly held by locking it in place by tightening the tension nut on the mount. In addition, various lengths and angles of the Revolution Bipod adjustable legs can be instantly fashioned to assist in helping provide a more solid shooting position on any surface, no matter how uneven, like a steeply angled rooftop, hanging from rafters, a narrow space between rocks, around corners, and on very rough ground. Whatever advantages offered the shooter at the crucial moment the shot must be taken. The Revolution Bipod is a revolution in adaptability. To prove the point, let's start with the Armalite AR-10 Super SASS in 7.62-308 to show how adaptable the Elite Iron Revolution Bipod can be. The Revolution Bipod can make any rifle platform perform better. Its features combine to steady a rifle so well that experienced shooters report being able to follow the trace of the bullet at 300 meters.
Hi, I'm Dale Poling of Elite Iron, and we're going to demonstrate why the Revolution Bipod is a revolution in tactical rifles bipods. We fitted this rifle with Elite Iron Bravo SD sound suppressor. To start, let's show how we can make a very difficult angle shot from a steeply pitched roof. Sometimes a shot must be made from a position where the terrain or man-made objects provide a better view, but also make finding stable platform more challenging. In this example, the shooter can adjust the length of the legs to fit the surface. Rotate the rifle in the mount to be more stable, and then set the tension screw. And you are ready to sight in on the target. You see what I mean? Sometimes an opportunity presents itself between two rocks in a hard spot. When you have to support and stabilize between two rocks or hard, rough surfaces, you need a bipod that's made of tough stuff. In this scenario, you can set up the Revolution Bipod upside down and forcing it into the V between the two rocks. You can still rotate the rifle until you lock it down. And you still have plenty of horizontal and vertical movement to zero in on your shot. Try that on a bipod made with cheap materials or exposed springs. In addition to the Revolution Bipod, this rifle is equipped with an Elite Iron Sierra SD suppressor. It makes the sound pressure level in a confined space more bearable, and it helps to make a more accurate shot as well. When there's no opportunity to shoot prone through a hole in the wall, your plane can literally go up in the air. If the structure has rafters and a little bit of paracord, the Revolution Bipod can be hung upside down to make the shot through an open window or hole. Rotate the rifle, lock it down, sight on your target, and you're ready to go. It's really best to shoot the 50 from the prone position, but many times the ground is not suited the task. That's when the Revolution really shines. We put the Revolution Bipod mounted on the 50 rifle, and it's also fitted with an Elite Iron sound suppressor. Even in a situation like this, the 60-degree angle of the legs provide the perfect footprint and balance between stability and footprint of the ground. All you need to do is set your legs to length to fit the groundscape that you're on, and away you go.
The Elite Iron Revolution Bipod. A revolutionary tactical rifle bipod that's designed to be more stable and adaptable than any other. It's built tougher and will help any tactical rifle make more accurate shots faster in any shooting situation imaginable. Learn more about the Revolution Bipod and how to get one by visiting www.eliteiron.net/bipod.